Hi guys, for many people, including myself, Canvas Inbox is the preferred method of communication between instructors and students. So today, you guessed it, we're going to go ahead talk about how to send a message via Canvas Inbox. So let's cue those lights. Yeah, that didn't work. Okay, cool. Alright, so to send a message via Canvas Inbox, of course, after you log on to Canvas, we're going to hover over this left navigation pane and then click on Inbox. Let me go ahead and hide these other messages. There's no need for that. Okay. Once you click on Inbox, you're going to go ahead and look for the compose image icon, which is this bad boy right here. Okay, this dark light doesn't really work for me, so let's turn them off. Okay, cool. Then we're going to go ahead and select our course. So select the course. I have it under favorite courses, and I have this Mathtastic class, whatever that is. Now, let's just say we want to email our instructor, but we're like, we forgot our instructor's name. It's not a problem. Okay, we're going to click on this to box, and then we have like this address book icon right here. And then we have some options if we want to email the teacher or teachers, or if we want to email a student or the whole class in particular. So we're going to go ahead, click on teachers, and there's only one teacher as expected. So boom, that's your instructor's name. Now, what if you don't want to click so many things and you're just awesome and you already know the instructor's name? Well, it's not a problem. If you already know the instructor's name, then just go ahead, type it out. So the instructor's name in this case is, as you guessed it, Maria Torres. Two things pop up for whatever reason. So let's click on the person's name. Cool. A lot of students, when they send messages, they leave out the subject line. I guess we're big fans of text messages, but it's a lot easier for the instructor if you write down a subject. So I don't know what I'm gonna write. I'm just gonna write you're awesome. Okay. And then we write whatever we have to write. So I'm just gonna say, hey Miss T, just wanted to let you know that I am enjoying your videos. You're awesome. And then of course your name. I'm just gonna write Panchito Smith. Why do I use that name? I have no idea. And then we click send. Okay, so the nice thing about Canvas Inbox is that the instructor will receive the message within Canvas, but the instructor will also receive a copy mailed to their college address. Okay guys, that's my time. Thanks.